Hey, I wanted to make a quick video just discussing what NVMe M.2 solid-state drives are, but before I begin, as a disclaimer, Kingston did send me this one for free so I could use it to create some content. I'm going to be throwing it in a laptop later to show how to do that. And I have purchased these before. I used the Kingston NVMe drives in my desktop computer. And in this video, I'm just kind of going to give an overview of what the NVMe is, a quick comparison to some of the other alternatives, and give some reasons why you should probably use this if you have a slot available. So to start with, NVMe stands for Non-Volatile Memory Express, and it uses the PCIe interface for faster data transfers. That's how it can achieve the tremendous speed that you get with it. And NVMe is designed specifically for flash memory as opposed to SATA, which was designed for hard drives. So let's talk about some advantages of the NVMe over a standard or a SATA drive. So first is speed. This specific one can get up to 6,000 megabytes per second, which is a lot when you compare it to the SATA solid-state drives, which get roughly 550, or an actual hard drive with, the old spinning disks, which got about 100. That means lightning fast boot times. I believe my computer takes roughly 5 seconds from when I hit the power button until my desktop is usable. And applications will launch almost instantaneously. Data transfers extremely quickly. Really, if you want speed, the NVMe is for you. It is ideal if you're a gamer, you do video or photo editing, or you just transfer a lot of data. Another big advantage is the size. So if you take a look, this is very small, smaller than a stick of RAM, so it doesn't take up much space, and that gives you more room inside your box or your laptop. And there are no cables needed because it just plugs directly into the motherboard. Huge advantage of these is they don't really take a lot of power. They take a lot less than a standard hard drive, and especially when they're in laptops, that will extend your battery life in your laptop tremendously because of the extremely low power consumption. Being attached to the motherboard also allows it to reduce your latency, so it's near instant response times compared to hard drives or SATA SSDs, because those both go through cables, and that gives you enhanced multitasking performance. The last advantage of these is it's future-proof. Modern and future machines should be made with the drive or the slot you need for the M.2. So getting these will allow you to use it for longer. So should you get an NVMe? Well, if you're a gamer, then yes. If you have a slot, you should definitely be using this. If you're a content creator, you should definitely have one because it'll help you render your videos quicker. And if you're just a general computer user, it will speed up everything you do. Some people, it may not really be necessary and may not be worth doing the actual upgrade, but it will speed everything up. And there are some downsides to these, but not many. First is cost. The price per gigabyte is a lot higher than the SATA SSDs or the hard drives because you're getting a much more efficient memory. And there are thermal concerns, which aren't really concerning, but depending on what you're doing, you may need a heatsink. I know the one in my desktop I have a heatsink on because I used to game a lot and I render videos constantly. So it just helps keep everything running smooth. And the last one's compatibility. So make sure that your motherboard actually has an M.2 slot before you buy one. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. And if you need an NVMe M.2 drive, I would highly recommend grabbing yourself a Kingston. If you would like to pick up a Kingston NV3 NVMe M.2 drive for yourself, you can do that through the product link in this video's description. If you do, I will earn a small commission since that will be an affiliate link. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.